This is the flat number 301 in Kruti Nandanavanam. We are just entering into this 3 BHK flat, and here as soon as you enter into this flat we have a huge hall which is almost like a perfect square. The hall has a very good TV cabin which you can see here. The TV cabin is nice, and it is veneer made TV cabin, and we have this plenty of space in this hall. It's almost like 25 by 25 by 40, something like that. So it's huge hall, and you can have, this is the dining area you can have in this particular place, and just this side you can put a sofa so that people can watch the TV, and of course you have space for dining area as well. Here in this dining area you have a wash basin also, and then once you enter into kitchen from the hall, you can see that kitchen is also having very good interior. The modular woodwork is done. All the racks and the baskets to keep the your utensils and such things, and your gas cylinders you can keep here. And this is the kitchen platform, and you have lots of wardrobes, shelves covered with woodwork, nice woodwork for keeping all the kitchen related items. These are the glass doors for spacing your kitchen items like spices, things like that. And here you can keep your mixie or micro oven, mainly the mixie, and cookers, things like that. There is a electric point is given here. And from the kitchen you can enter into a kitchen wash area, which is also quite spacious. In this wash area you have a lot of space to keep your washing machine, and there is a tap, and you can have a lot of ventilation from here as well, from the kitchen. So the kitchen is in the perfect position, and you can see that there is a facility for keeping lot of items. Here you can fit your this one RO, the water purifier. And here from the kitchen again you are back into the main hall. Here you can keep the fridge, and here in the hall you can have we have a lot of space to sit and watch TV, as well as dining area, as well as living sit out. And from here kitchen you can enter into of course this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has again a lot of wardrobes. Plenty of good woodwork has been done in this master bedroom, and you have a lot of space in this master bedroom. Almost this is like 15 by 12, and here there is a nice dressing table also in the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has a window to the street side. You can open the window if you want. And this is the master bedroom toilet, and this is also quite spacious. It has a wash basin also, the toilet. And in this master bedroom you have a window so that you can open it towards the corridor side. That window is, in fact, the master bedroom has two windows. One is towards the corridor and another is towards the street, so you can open both of them and get plenty of ventilation in the master bedroom. Again, once you are coming out of master bedroom, you can see that on the right side of this master bedroom you have a common bathroom, common toilet. You can use it for the guests can use it, and this is also quite spacious, the common toilet. So that's completes about master bedroom, common toilet, and kitchen and hall we have covered. And now before entering into the children bedroom, I want to show you this. There is a puja room. Of course these people are using it as a storeroom also. You can use it actually as a puja room. This is also quite spacious. You can keep a lot of items related to puja and things like that. And you are entering into the children bedroom. The children bedroom has almost quite spacious this is, and it has huge wardrobes, and it has a computer table the computer table also is there. I mean, it's not just table, there is a shelves for this computer table also. You can keep your books and things like that. And of course this has a window. If you can open the window, this is towards the other besides the other flat. There is a space between these two flats, so you can open this window and get the plenty of ventilation. This now you can see that there is a ventilation here once you open the window. And this is your children bathroom. I mean, attached to the children bedroom there is a bathroom. So this is the third bathroom we have seen. So because both master bedroom and children bedroom has attached bathrooms, and apart from that there is a common bathroom also you have seen. And of course these are the shelves, wood wardrobes for the children bedroom. These are nicely done using the veneer polished woodwork, not like just laminate. There is a lot of veneer work, woodwork is done, and it has minimum fan and things like that are there. Tube lights, everything are there. And once you are back into the hall from the children bedroom, you can see this is the hall from the children bedroom. And onto the left side of the children bedroom there is another bedroom called guest bedroom. So this is also quite good, compact, but it is enough for 2 people and to sleep here. So that this bedroom has also nice woodwork, interior work is done, and it has two windows for this guest bedroom. One is towards the other side of the flat, adjacent flat, and another is towards the street. So if you come out of this guest bedroom, you will see a balcony. So that this balcony you can sit and or you can dry the clothes, or you can see the street side from this window, from this balcony. So there is a lot of space. This opposite to this building there is a lot of empty space. The road is wide, the roads are very wide. There is a lot of buildings coming up in this area already, Gopal Nagar area. So you can see that those high-tech city is not so far. It's like the one you are seeing is those are the Mahindra towers, and this is the street in the Gopal Nagar. This entire thing is called Gopal Nagar Housing Society. So there's a lot of good facilities around here. That is the shuttle stadium and that road leads to high-tech city. And we are back into the main this is the guest bedroom. So you can close this guest bedroom balcony door if you want, and then we are back into the flat. So this is how you can see that this is a huge 3 BHK flat. It has a huge hall, kitchen, master bedroom, and children bedroom, then guest bedroom, and then the puja room. So it's quite spacious, and it's enough for huge family as well as the medium family of 4 to 5 members easily. And you can put lot of furniture. You can accommodate any amount of furniture in this particular flat. And this has got a huge corridor in front of it. The corridor is almost 5 feet, and it's long corridor. And there is outside there is a shoes rack also here, so you can put your shoes. And this is all about this particular flat, 3 BHK, completely semi furnished with woodwork and interior, and it's ready to occupy by December 1st 2021.